Today, even as more and more technologies are built with connectivity in mind, we still just can't quite seem to actually stay connected. Yeah, it's pretty irritating. And if your products or services require connectivity to function properly, or you have a remote workforce, that can be a serious, revenue-wrecking problem. And what's worse is that most of the time, these issues aren't even your fault. Luckily, now you can help your users diagnose their connectivity concerns locally, quickly, and accurately with SpeedSight, the next generation of network quality testing. With SpeedSight's unique patent-pending combination of connectivity tests and just one simple click, users can detect any and every blocked port, test speed, loss, latency, and jitter over any port, and diagnose problematic connectivity issues before your customers take off and take your revenue with them. And SpeedSight supports continuous, scheduled test runs too, every minute, every hour, or every day, whatever schedule fits your and your users' needs for monitoring and ensuring a network connection that lasts. So request your free trial or try us online today and help your customers stay connected and happy with SpeedSight.